In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on auto factory reset on Samsung Galaxy phone. With your Samsung Galaxy phone auto factory reset, you can erase all your Samsung phone data automatically when someone or culprit enter your Samsung phone password or PIN or pattern incorrectly 20 times. So, with this, your Samsung phone can erase your data, erase your password, reset your Samsung phone to the default or factory settings. To do this, all you need to do is click the Samsung phone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and click on lock screen, then tap secure lock settings. Type in your Samsung phone password, passcode, or PIN, or if you're using pattern, type it and click on the continue button. There you go. Then turn on auto factory reset. With this, after 20 correct attempt to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings and all data will be erased, including files and download of your Samsung phone. So with this, your Samsung phone files and data will be reset if your Samsung phone password or PIN or pattern is drawn or used more than 19 times. This will be executed once the 20th time incorrect password is executed. So if this is helpful, if you want to read live, do not forget to subscribe to YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.